Izingani's Temple Season 4 premiered on Thursday, the 20th of August 2026, did not ease viewers in gently. Within the first episode, a DNA revelation involving Lwandle Mseleku sent shock waves across Mzansi, with fans glued to their screens and Twitter lightening up with reactions, you guys. The show, which follows the adult children of polygamist Mseleku, revealed DNA test results confirming that Lwandle is not the biological father of baby MPS, with no genetic match recorded across 17 test systems. Now, despite the clinical finalities of the findings, Lwandle refused to accept the outcomes, arguing that the tests were carried out when the child was still too young for reliable results. His reasoning did not go down well with viewers. Many found his explanation hard to believe, while others expressed genuine sympathy for the emotional weight of the situation, you guys. Now, Amy Moroka wrote, Lwandle really believes the DNA test came back negative because it was done with the baby when the baby was too young, rather. Hashtag Izingani's Tembu. And then somebody said, Uitu said, Lwandle saying that the DNA result went accurate because the child was still too young. Oh, Baba. And then somebody here said, listen here, everyone, the baby is 99% Lwandle. I saw a clip of this on TikTok showing that he's the baby daddy. Why would Ugel embarrass herself in a family on national TV? I stand to be corrected, but I believe he's playing dumb for the storyline. Away from the paternity drama, another storyline captured fans just as quickly. The arrival of Kwezi, who appeared to have a tense dynamic with Umaqele, one of Mseleku's wife, had viewers buzzing with excitement. Somebody said, I like Lwandle's girl for one reason. She may be Maqele's nightmare. Knox said, I'm afraid Maqele is about to have a taste of her own medicine. I love this. And then Tigo said, Kwezi is here to deal with Maqele Yezwani. Mazikote says that Amobu Amanga Akwezi. Mind you, this is exactly what I signed up for. Ulelo said that Izingani's Temple just started and they're dropping bomb. Mzumbe is so important to me. Shout out to Umusa Mseleku and Gog Flow. Now, you guys, it is clear that season 4 is wasting no time delivering the drama fans signed up for, with Lwandle's paternity saga and the Kwezi Maqele tension already setting the tone for what promises to be a gripping season, you guys. Well, what do you guys think about this? So please do engage your thoughts in the comment section down below.